What's up, YouTube? This is your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing from Fashionphile and a chit chat on two of the bags that I have sold and who I sold them to. So before we get this video started, I want to say thank you for staying tuned to my channel. Thank you to my new subscribers. I hope that you continue to hit the bell, give me thumbs up, share my videos, because it do helps my channel out, which I am trying to grow, but it's going slowly but surely. But I'm gonna hang in there. I'm gonna try to stick with it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do this. So here is my box, and I picked this up yesterday. It came yesterday. Cover up my address. It's a true unboxing. I haven't opened it, and let's do it. I'm hoping I don't have to send this back, you guys, because I have had my eyes on this for a year now. Me and one of my friends went to Dallas, Texas, and we went to the Galleria Mall, and we went to the Louis Vuitton store, and I seen it, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep it on my wish list. So it's been on there for a minute. Yes, I'm struggling with this box because they take the hell out of it, okay? Jesus. This is some strong tape they got on this box. It's like I get one end and then I don't get the other end. So you guys, I'm hoping I can keep it. I don't want to say too much until I open it up and you see what it is. And of course, here is the box. Here is the thank you card. Shop, sell, and repeat, which we all do when you're dealing with Fashionphile. Here's my receipt in the envelope. And of course, they sent a fingernail file. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. True statement, okay? And of course, you know what they're known for is their confetti, which this time I ain't complaining because it's gray, and that's one of my favorite colors. So let's do this. If you think you know what it is, leave me a comment down below. Because as long as I don't click to open up this box, y'all could have guessed. Okay. Here is the box. The used is the new. And yes, I know y'all know what it is. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. It came with this right here. And inside this is what? Shoestrings. So this is going to be very interesting. You guys, I had my eyes on this for over a year. And every time I seen it, I was like, I'm going to get them. I'm going to get them. And when I went and I tried them on in Dallas, Texas at the Galleria Mall in the Louis Vuitton store, the essay said I wore a 37.5. And I'm like, I'm confused by these sizes. So I was like, okay. I seen these on the website. And if I'm not mistaken, these are the 38s. So these are called the Louis Vuitton calfskin monogram runaway shoes. And it comes with the dust bag, the booklet. So you guys, these are it. And I didn't have I don't have any socks on because I had on sandals today. So I'm not able to try them on and tell you if they fit or not. But here they are. So what do you think? I don't know, it's just when I tried it on in Dallas, it just did something to me. It was like it was made for me with the outfit, the shoe. It was just the one, okay? So yeah, this is what your girl picked up at Fashionphile. So, like I said, I should be able to fit them if he said I was a 37.5, and this is a 38. So, we shall see. So, for the next topic, because I know you all are waiting, I've had some people reach out to me and tell me or ask me to list the prices or that I'm selling the bags for. And I prefer that if you're interested, just reach out to me. Let me know that you're interested in that bag, and then we can go from there, because I really don't want to put no prices out like that. I don't want no mess. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to insert the picture of the bags that I sold. And I did sell 2. And your girl sold them to no other one than Fashionphile. That's where I sold them to. Now, I can say that on one of them, I should have gotten more than what they offered, but I was okay with it. These are bags that were in my collection that is just sitting, that I am no longer using, and I don't want it to lose its value. So I'd rather sell them, Fashionphile, rebags, whoever, person to person, whoever, and get some of my money back and purchase something new for a new collection. So there's no reason to hold on to something that I'm not using. It's a waste of money. So you guys, I will go ahead and list a picture of these 2 bags. And with that being said, your girl want to thank you for tuning in to her channel. Thank you all for the ones who are leaving me comments. I do appreciate it. I love responding back to your comments, giving you emojis. That's just what I do. So until the next time, you know what I say.